Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why you should be using folders in Google Drive. And I'll try to make this as quick as possible because I know you don't have much time. So reason number 1 you should use folders in Google Drive is because they're easy to create. And actually, when you come to Google Drive, this is my Google Drive screen, there's a big button right here that says New. All you need to do is click on that and click the folder at the top. Give it a title. Let's call this test folder. Whoops. And then create. And your folder is already done. So then what you can start to do is you can take files like this one and then just drag them in there. And then you can actually do that with many more files. The other thing that's great about creating folders in Google Drive is even if you don't want to create your own or recreate something that you already have on your hard drive, you can just click New and then Folder Upload. So this means if you already have a folder someplace, like let's say, let's see here, payroll, okay? And I want to take the 2020 payroll folder and put that in Google Drive, I can do it. Select it and click Upload. By the way, this is a Mac. On Windows, it works the same way. And the view of Google Drive is also the same. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 to use folders in Google Drive is because it's a far easier way to organize your files and your projects. And actually, on the projects point, you can see I have all of these different folders here. Most of them are for work-related issues. Some are related to more personal stuff, but I just give it a name to say what it is. And then also within some of these folders, I have subfolders to organize different types of projects. If you want to view your folders, you click on My Drive on the left, and it lists them alphabetically. One other trick that I often do with my folders, and let's just go back to my drive, is when I'm done, so I have thousands of files in Google Drive. I've been using this for like 10 years. And when I'm done with certain types of folders, or it's like a project that's no longer important, I just put an X in front of it. And what happens is that will push the folder to the bottom of the alphabetical list, because that particular folder used to be called Able Road, so it would be up here, but I'm not using it anymore. So I want to get rid of that and not view it. I'll stick it down there. So that's number 2. It's a better way to organize your files and projects. And the longer you use Google Drive, the more files and projects and folders, files and different types of things you'll be working on. In my case, I have thousands and thousands of files. And if I didn't have folders, it would drive me crazy. And then number 3, the third reason to use folders in Google Drive, it's a much easier way to share files. So I'll give you an example. Let's say that this acid reflux book, I want to share this with a collaborator. Maybe it's an editor, so there's some different files in here, images and things like that. There's some charts that I'm using for the book. All I need to do to share it with somebody is to right-click on it, and I can do 2 things. I can either share, and it will prompt me to type the name of a person. Okay, I can put an email address. So let's say I want to put Nicole to share it. I can add a note. Hi, Nicole. Here is the acid reflux files. And then I can hit send. And then she'll be able to get an invitation to open it up in her own Google Drive. The other thing you can do is if you don't want to set up the permissions, you can just get a shareable link. It says link sharing off, but I can just turn that on, and then I can get this link, and then I can paste it into an email or something like that if I want to share it with a lot of people but don't know their email, don't know I just want to make it easier to share. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive or Google Docs, I've written a book about it, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It also covers sheets and slides and forms. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.